Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue with our chapter to the Valley of Flowers. Before taking up section 2, let's recap what we have done in the previous video. So, we have introduced the author Romola Butalia. We've also known what is a travelogue. We've also gathered information on the Valley of Flowers and the explanation of section 1. Now let us see section 2. Last we read about the author waking up at 4:15 a.m. Then she continued her journey towards the Valley of Flowers. She took the left trail from the bifurcation point, and this was not the route taken by normal tourists. She enjoyed walking with a superb view of the Himalayas and the surrounding beauty. Suddenly, she came across two trekkers, Rajesh and Ajit, who were uncertain about the journey to move ahead as there was the first ice sheet to be crossed. Here, I should tell you that the path towards the Valley of Flowers was not officially opened, as it was still covered with snow, and the path the author took had several dangerous glaciers. The author easily, confidently, and with care crossed the glacier, and then she beckoned, called Rajesh and Ajit to follow her. The author is overjoyed to see the beauty of the natural surrounding untouched, unlittered by the humans. She saw the fresh green colored grass, the peeping flowers yet to bloom, the mist, the sunlight, and the noise of river flowing. All the three were already started believing in the beauty that is being described about the Valley of Flower. Now, a point came when the author was viewing another glacier, and after several thoughts, judging her own strength and seeing the danger ahead, climbing many boulders, taking another route, she, in the end, decided to give up. Rajesh and Ajit offered their help, but she declined, saying that she will slow them down in their journey. Ultimately, with a heavy heart, she saw them move ahead. Finally, she turned and headed back. As she walked half a kilometer, she saw six young locals who were sitting on the path. They asked her from where she was coming, and when they came to know about her story, the locals decided to take her across towards the Valley of Flowers. These young locals were actually there. They were doing part-time job to clear snow for the actual route for the tourist. The young locals who were clearing the snow on the tracks offered their help. So they all started their trek towards the Valley of Flowers. It was not easy for the author as she was poorly skilled, but with the help of the young locals and their entertaining stories about their life made the journey easy. As they moved ahead, they saw Rajesh and Ajit struggling to cross the glacier. Here again, the locals came forward to help them cross. In this way, the locals guided and helped the author and the other two trekkers across several glaciers, and ultimately they reached their destination, the Valley of Flowers. It was a beautiful sight. The flowers were yet to bloom, but it was worth to watch. The local took them to a nearby cave where they have spent 4 nights while working to clear the ice. One of them revealed their intention of helping them, that when they return back, they will tell 5 people about the help they received from the locals, and the people will think good about them. And the author promised to tell other people about them. Children, here the intention of the locals are not wrong. They want to pass a positive impression as these places are tourist places and major income comes from the tourist. So children, that was all for section 2. I hope you have understood the chapter. And I request you all to read the chapter again and feel free to ask for any doubts. Students, there is a PDF of exercises and question answers posted in your class group. Complete the exercise in the book and write the answers in your notebook. The grammar and the writing part that has been given within the exercise part of your chapter will be done and completed when the school will reopen. I think that you have understood. Thank you and take care.